Good morning, students. This video is for class 4 science, and today we will start with the question answers of chapter number 5. Chapter 5, Adaptation in Plants. So the first question, what are the factors that influence adaptation in plants? What are the things that actually have an effect in the adaptation? So we will write the factors that influence the adaptation in plants are. So what are the factors? Number one, temperature. Temperature of the place. Number B, amount of rainfall. Amount of rainfall and sunshine received. Number 3, availability of water. And number 4, type of soil. So these are the 4 factors that affect the adaptation, that actually influence the adaptation of plants. So please write this. So I'm erasing this so that we can move on to the next question. Question number 2. In question number 2 they have said, how do plants in desert adapt? And name some desert plant. So the desert plant, this is the answer. The desert plants adapt in the following ways. So let us see, let us write. Their leaves modify into spines and thorns. Their leaves modify into spines and thorns to prevent loss of water. Number B, the stem of these plants are green and thus they perform photosynthesis. Stem perform photosynthesis as they are green. Number C, stem of these plants store food for food and water. Stem of these plants store food and water. So these are the ways that desert plants modify themselves. And for example, what are the some desert plants? For example, cactus, date palm, aloe vera. These are few desert plants. So please write this down. These are the ways they adapt. I'm using this. Question number 3. In question number 3, they have said, state some adaptation of fixed aquatic plants. Name some of these plants. So, what are the adaptation that you can see in fixed aquatic plant? Some adaptation of fixed aquatic plants are. What are the adaptation? These plants have flat and broad leaves that help them to float. These plants have flat and broad leaves that help them to float. Number B, leaves have waxy coating that prevents them from rotting. Leaves have waxy coating that prevent them from rotting. Number C, the stems of these fixed aquatic plants are hollow. The stems are hollow, long, light and flexible, which help them to bend easily. Then these are adaptation, and for example we will write only 4 adaptation. For example, they have asked you few fixed aquatic plant, for example lotus and water lily. So children, today we will finish off here. In the next class I will be writing the remaining 3 answers. So for today up to this much. Thank you class.